Welcome to Review Rumble. The best LaserJet M15w is probably one of the most compact and efficient printers you can find. Today, we're diving deep into the HP LaserJet M15w toner cartridge, exploring its performance, print quality, and overall value. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just someone who needs a reliable printer for home use, this video will help you decide if this toner cartridge is the right choice for your printing needs. Number 5. HP 48A Black Toner Cartridge. This is an original HP toner cartridge. It's designed to work seamlessly with your HP printer, ensuring consistent quality and reliability. This cartridge is compatible with HP LaserJet Pro M15, M16 series and LaserJet Pro MFP M28, M29 series printers. It's a perfect fit for your printing needs. Get approximately 1,000 pages from this cartridge. It offers great value and helps you print more without frequent replacements. Using original HP toner cartridges eliminates the risk of leaks and premature failures. You can count on it for dependable performance. Choose sustainability with this cartridge. It contains recycled content, making it an environmentally responsible choice. What we like. This is the original HP toner, ensuring consistent quality and reliability. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer, providing the best results. If you prioritize genuine quality and sustainability, as it contains recycled content, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Cartridges work perfectly. Great consistent quality produce. Good quality and works with my printer perfectly. Number 4. V4 Ink 48A Toner Cartridge Replacement for HP Printer. This is a compatible replacement for HP 48A toner cartridges. It's designed to work seamlessly with your printer, offering a reliable printing experience. You'll receive a 4-pack of black toner cartridges. Each cartridge comes with an upgraded IC chip for easy installation and printer recognition. This cartridge is compatible with HP Pro M15, M16, and MFP M28, M29 series printers. It's a perfect fit for your printing needs. The new upgraded chip and improved structure make it easy to install. The printer will detect it immediately, so you can start printing right away. Each cartridge can print up to 1,000 pages at 5% coverage. It offers high capacity and sharp printouts, perfect for everyday use. This product is designed to offer a cost-effective solution without compromising quality. It provides high-quality prints while saving you money. What we like. This compatible toner offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on print quality. With its upgraded chip, installation is a breeze. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers sharp, clear prints, you should consider this. What people say. Works perfect in my Canon D420. Much clearer and darker print than my old one. Highly recommend. Fast delivery, and works fine for my printer. Been using this item for many years from this vendor. Had one shipment which was inferior. The others were the equal of the OEM product in print quality and longevity. Number 3. GOTOBY HP 48A CF248A Compatible Toner Cartridge, 2-pack. Introducing the GOTOBY Compatible Toner Cartridge, a perfect replacement for your HP printer. This cartridge ensures high-quality prints every time, making it ideal for both home and office use. This toner cartridge is compatible with a wide range of HP Pro printers, including M15w, M16w, and M28w models. It's designed for easy installation and seamless performance. Each package includes a user guide and 2 black toner cartridges. You'll get everything you need to start printing right away. Each cartridge can print up to 1,000 pages with 5% coverage. This means less frequent replacements and more productivity for you. The refined toner powder delivers sharp, clear images and text. It ensures professional-looking documents and vibrant prints every time you use it. What we like. This toner cartridge provides a high yield, meaning you get more prints per cartridge. The refined toner powder ensures high-quality images and text. If you have heavy printing needs and want excellent print quality, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to install, cartridge fired right up and produced very good printing quality. These cartridges were shipped quickly, install and print exactly the same as the OEM and offer great value. These are a good, off-brand option for an HP printer. They work great. They are black and white only, really easy to install. Number 2. V4 Ink 2PK CF248A Toner Cartridge for HP printers. Introducing the V4 Ink 2PK CF248A Toner Cartridge, a reliable replacement for your HP printer. This package includes 2 black toner cartridges, ready to meet your printing needs. This cartridge is designed for use with HP LaserJet Pro M15, M28, and M29 series printers. It's a perfect fit, ensuring smooth operation and high-quality prints. Featuring an upgraded IC chip, this cartridge is easy to install and is readily detected by your printer. You'll be up and running in no time. Each cartridge offers a page yield of 1000 pages at 5% coverage. This means it can handle your everyday printing tasks efficiently. The V4 Ink CF248A cartridge provides a cost-effective solution without compromising quality. It delivers sharp printouts, making it an excellent choice for both home and office use. What we like. This is another cost-effective option that doesn't sacrifice quality. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable toner cartridge, this is a great choice. What people say. It prints clear, clean, crisp documents. It was a perfect fit and no issues installing. Este repuesto funciona muy bien en mi impresora LaserJet M15w. Number 1. GREENBOX 48A Toner Cartridges for HP Printers. Introducing the GREENBOX 48A Toner Cartridge Replacement. This is a reliable solution for your printing needs, offering excellent performance. It is compatible with a wide range of HP LaserJet Pro printers, including M15 and M28 series. It ensures seamless integration and optimal results. Each package includes 2 black 48A toner cartridges. This provides you with a high print volume, making your printing tasks easier. Get up to 1000 pages per cartridge at 5% coverage. This means it offers a great value for your money, reducing the need for frequent replacements. GREENBOX is committed to providing high-quality printing solutions. This product is designed to make your printing life easy and efficient. What we like. This toner cartridge is designed for high print volume, making your printing life easier. It offers a high page yield, so you won't have to replace it often. If you have a busy office or print frequently, this is a great choice. What people say. This toner works perfectly with my printer and lasts a long time. Installation with these is a snap. They last a long time, print quality is very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.